We just got a package from Stylecraft Pro. Let's go ahead and open this thing up. As you can see, we got the new drop alert. It's the new Super Set, the Rebel Clipper with the Flex Trimmer. Let's go ahead and take this out of here so we can get a better look at it. Check that out, man. It comes with this nice carrying case. As you can see, we got some gold accents on the carrying case. Let's open this thing up. And as you can see, we do get the Flex Trimmer right here. Looks a little different, got some gold accents on the all black lid. We get the gold X Pro blade, the smaller blade on there, check that out. And let's go ahead and get this clipper out of here, the Rebel Clipper, as y'all can see, all black lid. We got some gold accents on here also, gold blade on there, click lever just like the original Rebel. Y'all check that out, man. And we also get the charging cord, some guards for the trimmer, and the charging brick. Shout out Stylecraft for this care package, man. I greatly appreciate it. Let's go.
In high school or middle school, I don't know who I tried to fight. I got my ass. I had a black eye.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
Look up a little bit. Down a little bit. Open your mouth. Ah, got him in 4K, baby. All right, guys, so as y'all previously saw, your boy did get the Stylecraft Pro Super Set. As you can see, here is how it came in the box. Obviously, you already saw me unbox it, right? But here's how it came in the box. It comes in this nice carrying case. We got a little sleeve around it. And just in case y'all weren't paying attention, obviously it comes with the Rebel Clipper and the Flex Trimmer. So y'all check that out. And I do want to say that on here and on the paper they sent me, it said that it comes with 4 tight guards, and then you get a USB cord, what is it, a 9-foot USB cord, but I didn't get that in mine, and that may be because they probably just forgot to put it in here, you know what I'm saying? I know they're sending these out as samples, you know what I'm saying, to certain influencers, so your boy got one, but let's go ahead and check this out once again. It's not gonna be like an unboxing, because as y'all saw earlier in the video, I did a quick little unboxing for y'all, but we're gonna go ahead and unzip this carrying case here, but check out the carrying case, man. It's a nice looking carrying case, as y'all can see. You know, pretty dope. But let's go ahead and open this thing up right here.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
So once again, guys, here's how it looks in the carrying case. We have this nice little Velcro strap on here to hold your clipper and trimmer in place. So once you open that up, the clipper and the trimmer are in there. And let's get a little better look at the trimmer, because in the video I noticed that it was a little blurry, but hopefully y'all can see it better on here. Hopefully it's not trying to catch my face. But if y'all can see it a little better, check that out. As you can see, we got the black lid with the gold flex on there. We got the gold SC logo down here. Once again, I hope this camera's focusing, because sometimes it just wants to focus on my face. But as y'all can see, we got the gold Stylecraft logo right here. We got the gold flex on there. On and off switch is right here, as y'all can see. On the bottom, we get a traditional charging port from Stylecraft and Gamma. And then on the back, we have the USB, the mini USB, micro USB, whatever you want to call it. I wish that would have did the USB Type-C, but you know, whatever. It is what it is. Can't really be mad at that. As you can see, it does come with the smaller blade. I don't know what you call this blade, but the smaller X Pro blade, as y'all can see. And you turn it on, doesn't sound too loud. You know, I like the flex trimmer, man. The flex trimmer was one of my go-to trimmers for a good minute. You know what I'm saying? Like, I used it for a good amount of time. It's actually still on my station. The only difference is I did put an Eversense blade on it, but this one comes with this blade, and this blade works well. It's a really good blade. It just boils down to preference. You know what I'm saying? But I'll probably keep this on the station also. But check that out. Here is the Stylecraft Flex that comes in this combo. We're gonna put that to the side. And then here is the Rebel that comes in the box. As you can see, black lid, same as the Flex. And then we have Rebel in gold and the Stylecraft logo down here in gold also. Hopefully y'all can see this. Once again, I hope it's not, you know, it's not blurring this out and trying to focus on my face. But when we turn it around this way, as you can see, we have the gold Vapor blade on there. And people were asking me if it gets hot. It hasn't gotten hot on me yet. I've been using it for about 2 days now, and it hasn't gotten hot yet. That's how it sounds on. To me, it sounds a little quieter than the original Rebel. I know the original Rebels, when they came out, they were a little noisy, you know what I'm saying? Some people didn't like that about them, but it seems that it's a little quieter than what it used to be. But I enjoyed using this, man. I ain't gonna lie to y'all though. It did feel a little weird in the hand, because I've been using the Stylecraft Metal Instinct, you know what I'm saying? That's been one of my go-tos here for a while, so it was kind of different adjusting to this clipper, because it is a little bulkier, but I don't think it's too bulky. But nonetheless, man, here is the Stylecraft Rebel that comes in the combo. Essentially, it's the same Rebel that you got, that you've probably gotten already from Stylecraft, right? Nothing too different about it. Same motor. It comes with the gold Vapor blade on there. Just looks a little different. Obviously, we have a hanging hook. I know y'all seen the videos of my boy Eddie from YouTube Barber Academy and Cuts by Razy breaking this thing off. I don't know if I'm gonna do that, you know what I'm saying? I don't like to modify my clippers like that, right? But check it out, man, we get that. And then also, like y'all saw earlier what we had in this little zipper area, I just really wanna show y'all how the zipper in here looks, because I didn't show it earlier in the video. But you just unzip that and you can put stuff in here, your guards, charging, you know, the charging cord, charging brick, whatever you really need to carry if you're gonna carry this on the go. But like I said earlier, it's essentially the same tools that they've previously released, just with a different color lid on there. You know what I'm saying? And nonetheless, man, y'all know how I feel about the Flex and the Rebel. I think they're great tools. I'm not exactly sure what this price is. They didn't give me a price on the price sheet, so I don't know what the price is gonna be for these tools. But if they're coming in a combo set, I'm assuming as a combo set, it should come out a little cheaper than it would if you would buy them separately, right? But I'm excited for these, man. I'm gonna keep using them. I like them, you know, I like that they're both lightweight, you know what I'm saying? But once again, here is the Stylecraft Rebel, and then here is the Stylecraft Flex that comes in the combo set. And I keep saying combo set, but I guess it's actually called the Super Set, the Stylecraft Pro Super Set. But y'all know what I mean when I talk about this combo right here, man. Check it out once again.
Damn it, Tito. Another one?
As y'all can see, like I said, man, same thing as the previous models of these clippers, just with a different lid, and they come paired together in the Stylecraft Pro Super Set. These do drop in July. Not sure when they're gonna start pre-orders. I'm assuming they're gonna start pre-orders very soon, so you can go to stylecraftus.com and use my discount code TANK10 on that website. That way you can save yourself a little bit of money upon purchasing these, man. But yeah, man, I just wanted to talk to y'all a little bit about these. So, you know, I know y'all was interested, especially if y'all saw my Instagram post. So that's basically all I wanted to do was to show y'all these, a little closer look of them on this video here than what I posted on my Instagram. But yeah, man, that's basically it for this video. If you like this video, please make sure to smash that like button. Also, if you're new to my channel, make sure to subscribe one time for your boy. And that's basically it, YouTube. I appreciate y'all for watching. Until next time, let's go. You.